dear children, welcome to our digital school and a very warm welcome to the English class. Children, before we start the class, I want every one of you to open your English book, your English notebook as well as your textbook and a pencil and get ready for the class. So children, let's get started. Today we will learn a lesson. The name of our lesson is The Cactus, a Desert Plant. Children, have you seen cactus? How many of you have seen the cactus? Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So many have seen. Good. I'll show you the cactus. See, this is called as cactus. Can you see? This is mostly found in the desert area, dry lands, and it has thorns. It is looking like spines, correct? This is all, no? You've never seen a cactus with a flower? No. When cactus have a flower, okay? So see, this is cactus. Let us read the lesson and study in detail. The cactus is a desert plant. It is a plant that has no leaves. It has only a fleshy stem. The stem is covered with prickly spines. Cacti grow in deserts and other dry places. During the rainy season, their long roots take up moisture and store it in their stems. These stems have thick, hard walls. They are spongy inside. On the outside, they have a waxy coating. It makes these plants waterproof. The cactus plants don't have any leaves. Instead of leaves, they have spines. Each plant can have as many as 50,000 spines. These spines save the plant from desert animals. Let's understand this. Yes, children, as I have already said, the cactus is a desert plant and it is mostly found in the desert or any other dry places. This plant does not have any leaves. It has no leaves at all, but it has prickly spines. It has a fleshy stem which is completely covered with the spines. Especially in the rainy season, the roots of the cactus plant take up all the moisture and they store it in their stems. Now their stems have a hard, thick wall. Inside it is like a sponge, and on the outside they have a waxy coating which makes this plant waterproof. They don't have leaves, as I said, but you know something? They have almost 50,000 spines just in one plant. And because of these spines, they are safe from the desert animals. The cactus is a curious looking plant. It is unlike any other plant. Some plants of this family are very tiny. Some grow 15 meters high. In shape, these plants can have many different forms. They can be like trees, pipes, barrels, candles, hats, torches, caterpillars or pieces of machinery. A cholla cactus has the most prickly spines. These spines come off so easily that they seem to jump at passers-by. Pack rats pile up cholla stems at the entrance of their burrow. The stems protect their homes from invaders. You know what is explained here? This plant is like a curious looking plant. So when you look at it, you will feel very curious to go and watch what is this. It is not like the other plants. These plants are either very tiny and they almost grow up to 15 meters high. They can be of any shapes. They can be like a tree, something like a pipe, something like barrels. Even they have the shape of candles and hats. Torches are also there, and even like caterpillars, and even sometimes like the pieces of machinery. Now we will learn some of the types of the cactus. Okay, so in this chapter you have 3 types. There are many other types, but we will learn 3. So the one among them is cholla. What it is? Though the spelling is cholla, it is pronounced as cholla. Repeat, children. Cholla. So the cholla cactus has the most prickly spines, and they come off very, very easily. Now they come off in such a way that it can hurt anybody who passes by it. In North America, there are some rats which have a bushy tail. They carry the stems of this cholla cactus and they put it in their entrance so that nobody comes to their home and nobody troubles them. So they are safe from those who can attack them. Such a brilliant plant, correct? Yes. Can you see? This is the cholla plant. See, it has very prickly spines. Let's move to the next one. The saguaro cactus is tall like a tree. It has branches that grow upward. The stem is pleated like an accordion. It can store huge amounts of water. It produces white flowers followed by red fruits. A barrel cactus is fat and round in shape. It is covered all over with spines. Thousands of roots spread out under the ground. The roots absorb water and take it to the barrel above. Like the saguaro, its sides stretch to store water. The sides shrink as the water is used up. So here we have 2 more types. Yes, the second one is called as saguaro. Can you repeat, my dear children? It is saguaro. Correct. So it is tall like a tree. It has branches that grows upward, and its stems are like pleats. If you have seen an accordion is a musical instrument which has folds and which produces sounds. This cactus stores huge amount of water inside it. and they also produce white flowers, and it is followed by red fruits. If you want to see, here it is. This is saguaro and this is beryl. So here we have the next one, that is beryl. It is fat and it is round in shape. It is covered all over with spines. Though it is round, it looks very cute, but still it has spines. And its roots spread below the ground, and they absorb the water and take it to the beryl above. And it is like the saguaro. It stretches to store water. Keeps on stretching by side to store the water inside it. And once the water is used up, it shrinks a bit. Next. There are 20,000 types of cactus. Each type has a special way to store water. The cactus flowers are large and brilliant in color. They grow singly. A cactus blooms only once every 5 years. The cactus plants, when they bloom, fill the desert with a feast of colors: yellow, red, rose, and white. Some cactuses are grown for their juicy fruits. They are also used in making medicines. Cacti hedges serve as good barriers. Many people love to grow cacti in their homes. To have the best results, a cacti should be planted among broken bricks, lime, and sand. It should be watered only once in 2 or 3 weeks. Children, this cactus almost has 2,000 types, and each one of them have a very special and have a very different and a unique way of storing water inside them. Not only that, they have flowers which have very brilliant colors, and they grow singly. That means they grow only once, about once in 5 years. After 5 years, you can see one flower in them. You know something? When these cactus blooms, they fill the desert with lots and lots of colors. You know, something like yellow, red. You feel like you've come to some garden. It is so bright and beautiful. Some people grow these cactus for their juicy fruits. They are also used in making medicines. And not only that, you know something? If you grow these cactus in a row, they serve as a barrier for you. They can block anything. Many people love to grow cacti in their home. And you know what is the best way to grow it? To know the best results of cacti, you need to plant it among the broken bricks. Have you all seen bricks? Correct. Yes, dear children, yes. The broken bricks are what you know? The time when you build the houses. Yes. What do they use? Bricks. So that are the broken bricks. So you have to plant it among the broken bricks with lime and sand. And how many times should you water it? Only once, that also in 2 or 3 weeks. Don't go to water it regularly. You have to water it only once in 2 or 3 weeks. Got it, children? The lesson was very interesting, correct? we have learnt so many things about cacti, correct? The cactus, you loved the lesson? Did you enjoy it? Yes? Have you all understood? My God, the sound is very good. Okay, then close your books. We will do the recap of the lesson. Let's do the recap. So here we have our cactus. Nice cactus, na? Have a look, so that you'll remember. Let's see. Cactus is a desert plant, correct? Then they have a waxy coating outside which makes it waterproof. What about the inside coating? It is spongy inside, correct? Then, do they have leaves? No. What do they have? They have spines. And why do they have that spines? To keep them safe from the desert animals. Very correct. Then, each plant has how many spines? Almost 50,000 spines. Repeat again, how many spines? 50,000 spines. There are some are very tiny and they can grow up to what meters of height? 15 meters high. They can grow up to 15 meters high, and some are very tiny also. How many types are there? There are 2,000 types of cactus. Yes, you are correct, beta. Yes, and everyone have a special way of storing water inside them. The cactus flowers are large and brilliant in colors. Their colors are very brilliant. Yes, and they grow only once in 5 years. And what are their uses, children? They are used in making medicines and they serve as cacti hedges. You can make them as a barrier. Yes. Children, how many types of cactus did we learn? 3 types. Can you name them? Cholla cactus, saguaro cactus and barrel cactus. Let's see about them. So here we have the first one, that is Cholla cactus. It has the most prickly thorns. Pack rats pile them at their entrance to protect their homes from invaders. Correct. And the second one is saguaro. Yes. The saguaro cactus is like a tall tree. Correct. It looks like this. Its branches grow upwards. Can you see the branches? It is growing upwards. And their stems are pleated like an accordion. If you can look at it, it seems like an accordion. It can store huge amount of water. And this cactus produces white flowers followed by red fruit. And the last one is barrel cactus. They are fat and round in shape and they are covered all over with spines. They have thousands of roots which spread out under the ground, and these roots absorb water and take it to the barrel above. Very correct. So children, I hope that you have understood everything. Now I want every one of you to open your notebooks and copy down these meanings in your notebook. Chalo, get ready. 1, 2, 3 and start. Good. Let's write. The first one, fleshy, thick and soft. Stem, the main long part of a plant above the ground. Prickly spines, small, sharp, needle-like thorns on some plants. Cacti, plural form of cactus. Moisture, very small drops of water present in something. Waxy, looking or feeling like wax. pack rat. A large bushy-tailed rat of North America. It has a habit of carrying off small articles to its nest. Children, be quick in writing with me, okay? Yes, we move to the next. It's not over, we have to write more, don't worry. Burrow. A hole or tunnel in the ground made by animals to live in. Invaders, those who attack or enter a place by force. Pleated, having folds as made in a cloth by sewing. When you stitch, you make some pleats, correct? Similar to that. Accordion, a musical instrument that has folds which when pressed produce sounds. Blooms, produces flowers. Hedges, rows of close growing bushes or small plants that serve as a barrier. Copied it down? Very good. And now comes the most favorite time of mine. You don't like it? Don't worry, you'll still love it. That's the homework time. So children, you have to read the lesson without fail. Yes, everyone has to read it. And you have to write these more meanings in your notebook and also learn it. Not just writing it down, you have to learn it. And you have to complete the question answers which we have done in the notebook without fail. Yes. So bye children. Stay home, stay safe and keep studying. Meet you soon with a new video.